If you're working in Western Australia, it's important to know whether you're covered under workers' compensation insurance. In this video, we'll explain the definition of a worker under the Workers' Compensation and Injury Management Act 1981, which is necessary to qualify for coverage. We'll also discuss the primary and extended definitions of a worker and who is eligible for coverage. Definition of worker. The legislation provides a very broad definition of a worker. It covers full-time workers on a wage or salary, part-time, casual and seasonal workers, workers on commission, piece workers, working directors. Companies have an option as to whether working directors who have some ownership of the company and are workers under the Act are to be insured. Contractors and subcontractors may also be defined as workers, depending on the circumstances of their working arrangement, or worker receiving payment in kind. Primary definition of a worker. This covers any person who works under a contract of service or apprenticeship with the employer. The contract may be expressed or implied, oral or written. A large part of the workforce is covered under this part of the worker definition, including full-time and part-time workers, casual workers, seasonal and piece workers, workers on salary or wages, workers supervised and controlled by an employer, workers who may be fired by an employer, workers who work for only one employer, or workers with set hours of work. Extended definition of a worker. This covers any person who works under a contract for service. Many people who work as contractors or subcontractors may be covered under this part of the definition, and it may cover workers who are paid on piece rates, hourly rates, or per job, work for the employer on a one-off or per job basis, do not have set hours of work for more than one employer, work unsupervised, pay 20% of prescribed payments, subcontractors tax, or are covered by an industrial award or agreement. In conclusion, workers' compensation insurance in Western Australia covers all work-related injuries or illnesses as long as the employee meets the definition of a worker. It's important to know whether you're covered so you can protect yourself in case of an injury or illness on the job. If you are injured at work and need help to understand your coverage for workers' compensation in Western Australia, contact Foyle Legal. One of our workers' compensation lawyers can go over some of your contractual documents and answer your workers' comp-related questions. Your initial consultation is obligation-free. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe for more videos like this.